welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super chill sit down video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a long time. I have a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul to share with you guys, and I cannot wait to dig into these products because they've been sitting in bags for days, and I don't go in there a lot. I don't obsess over the sales. I don't check in there. I don't buy a lot of their products all the time. I go through phases with Bath & Body Works, so I thought I would go in there and check the sale and what is new and what's going on in there, and I actually ended up picking up some really good things that I'm excited about. So I have 3 bags of things to show you guys. I cannot wait. So here we go. Before we get started, I thought I would tell you guys about the type of smells that I like. So for my house, as far as like candles, I love more of the musky, men's, strong cologne type smells. So if you guys are familiar with the mahogany teakwood candle, the black tie candle, tuxedo candle, those type of smells are our favorite ones to burn in the house. I don't really care much for super overly sweet smelling candles. As far as like body wash, I love like natural smells as well. So I love like lavender, bergamot, eucalyptus. I do love sweet smelling body washes, but not overly sweet. So if you guys are like that in any kind of way, you guys are gonna love all of the things that I picked up. So here we go. The first thing I want to show you guys is the Sweet Almond and Honey 24-hour moisture body cream. I love the packaging on this, but that's not what was important to me. It actually smells really good, and I love that it said 24-hour moisture. This type of packaging that's soft with this type of top, you guys need to throw it in your gym bag, in your purse, in your car. You don't have to worry about it leaking out from a pump, so I love these. So yeah, this smells so good. It smells like sweet almond, literally sweet almonds. I love it. How cute is this packaging? And the next thing is the Lavender Essential Oils Body Wash. I love their aromatherapy line. That's my favorite area to look at in Bath & Body Works. So it says it's calming, soothes the senses, promotes peaceful sleep, and inspires tranquility. They actually really get lavender right at Bath & Body Works. It's not too sweet and it's not too potent. And then I picked up the Bergamot Body Wash as well. This is the first time I'm actually using bergamot from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good, and I love that all of these were on sale. I got everything on sale. I think with everything that I purchased, I paid like $60 because I had a coupon. Anyway, so I picked this one up. The next thing is the Stress Relief Sandalwood and Eucalyptus All Over Body Mist. I'm not huge on their body spray, so I'm really interested to see how long this lasts. It's alcohol free. It's good for your hair, face, and body. I love that it's eucalyptus. It has essential oils in it. We'll see how long that lasts. Oh, and I got the Coco Shea Coconut Oil Hair Serum. I haven't tried any hair products from Bath & Body Works, I don't think. So I picked this one up because I love a hair serum, especially when my hair is straight. I love to put serums on the end, on my ends. So I'm gonna try this one out. It smells really good. It smells literally just like coconut oil. Love that it comes with this little dropper top. The next thing I have is the Eucalyptus 3-in-1 Aromatherapy Oil. Out of this whole bag, this is probably my favorite thing that I purchased. You can do so many things with it. So the girl at Bath & Body Works told me that you can drop a few drops in your shower. You can put a few drops in unscented lotion. You can apply this directly to your skin. It's formulated for your skin. And I wish I would have picked up the bergamot one. They also had like a peppermint one. So the next thing is the Paraffin Hand, Nail, and Cuticle Hand Cream. Okay, so being a teacher in a mall, I have neglected my hands and nails the past year or so, and I need to get back on track. I need to go back regularly to get manicures. I picked this one up to keep in my purse, apply to my cuticles and hands as needed. I haven't tried this one before. It doesn't have a scent to it, which is fine with me. And then I got a Berry Grateful hand sanitizer. So that's it for this bag. That's everything in there, and those are all of my random goodies that I cannot wait to start trying and craving for more smell good things in the bathroom. So I have 2 candles in this bag to show you guys, and the first one is the Sunlit Cashmere White Barn candle. This packaging is so pretty. It smells really good. Like I said, I love like fresh, clean with a hint of sweet citrus smells. So the fragrance notes are Moroccan jasmine, creamy coconut, and orange flower blossom. I'm not really good at explaining smells. Check these candles out, especially if you don't care for like overly sweet things. The next thing is the Georgia Peach. The reason why I picked this one up, it was actually 75% off, and it was the only one that was 75% off, which is weird because there were other Georgia Peach candles in different packaging that were like 50% off. So I got this one, and it actually doesn't annoy me. I haven't burned it yet, and I think I'm gonna put it in my living room where it's like a big open space, so it's not too potent. This is on the sweeter side, but more of a citrusy scent to it. The fragrance notes are juicy peaches, dew-covered leaves, and a hint of vanilla. So it does smell really good. So I can't wait to see how this burns, and I love the packaging. This is gonna be perfect for summertime. So this is my last bag. I have 3 candles in here. The first one is the Blue Ocean Waves candle, and this is like a medium-sized candle compared to the 3-wick candles. This is on sale right now for $6, and this one smells really good. It has that really fresh outdoor summer smell. Ocean breeze, citrus sea spray, and creamy sandalwood. So it really does smell like all that mixed into one. Perfect for like a bedroom or a bathroom because it's small and it just gives you that like really calm, relaxing, like beachy smell. So I love that. One more bag to show you guys. 2 more candles, and this is the Bow Ties in Bourbon candle. This is my favorite thing that I purchased out of this entire haul. Like I told you guys before, the mahogany teakwood candle is one of our favorites. It's a really strong, like manly cologne smell. This falls underneath that same category. It smells so good. It has that manly bourbon smell to it, but this one actually has like a hint of floral or like sweetness to it. The fragrance notes are hint of bourbon, fresh bergamot, and a splash of citrus. So I cannot wait to start using this candle. If I go back, I will probably be getting more of these just to stock up because it smells that good to me. It's not for everybody, but I really love it. If you love sweet, like fruity smells, you probably won't like this one as much. When I got home, he smelled it and he actually really loves it. So this is gonna be our new favorite. The next one is Mineral Springs, and this is actually my favorite packaging out of all of the candles that I picked up because I love blue and white. It's like my favorite color combo. It has that little cork print at the top, I guess. And this is another one of those like fresh, clean, soapy smells. Smells really, really good. It smells perfect for like a bedroom. It has soothing mineral water, night blooming lily, and a dash of lime, and it does smell like lime and soap mixed together. When I went, it was all the candles were $12, and they recently went down to $10, and I think they might be back to $12 right now. So bring your coupon in. If you don't have a coupon, go to Retail Me Not and pick up a $10 off of 40 coupon. So that's everything that I picked up at the sale. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite item from Bath & Body Works is. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip